Money doesn't just buy stuff, it shapes your whole life. The trick? You have to spend it smartly. Want a great, happy life? Awesome, but many people mess up by buying the wrong things first, like fast cars, fancy clothes, or cool gadgets. These show off new money. Smart money buys freedom, confidence, and control. This isn't about showing off. It's about 20 easy ideas that quietly make your health, money, and mind better, while others waste cash on things that don't matter much. The big surprise? You probably haven't thought of most of these. Try them, and you'll feel a difference every day. Keep spending on small stuff, or start making changes that really improve your life. Let's jump in with a simple way to get more done today. 1. Control your mind. Money doesn't mean much if your mind is weak. You can't fix a bad mindset with more cash. Think stress, worry, or feeling tired go away when you're rich? Nope. Successful people don't ignore their mental health, they work on it. They spend money on counselors, coaches, or meditation experts to make their mind strong, focused, and clear. This could be a quiet getaway, therapy, or a good app to help you relax. They know a strong mind is the key to lasting success. A poor mindset avoids problems and escapes with TV or phone scrolling. A rich mindset faces problems, fixes them, and uses challenges to grow. Money makes you more of who you are, so if your mind is messy, your life will be too. Work on your mind first and money will come easier. 2. Keep your life private. Real wealth isn't about being famous, it's about staying hidden. Rich people don't just buy big houses, they buy safety, quiet, and peace. While others try to get attention online, the smart ones make sure no one knows where they live, who they talk to, or where they're going. Want to step up? Get your name off public lists, hire experts to clean up your online info, and stop using free apps that track you. Use secure apps for texting, fly on private planes when it's important, and buy homes that can't be found online. The more money you have, the more people might try to bother you. Privacy isn't about being scared. It's about controlling your life and staying safe. The less people know about you, the more power you have. 3. Use technology. Smartly, your phone can be your best tool or your worst enemy. Most people waste time scrolling, watching videos, or getting distracted. You can do better. Use tech like successful people do. Make life easier with apps that plan your day. Invest your money automatically or control your home to save time. Hire someone to check your phone and computer for safety. Stop using free apps that spy on you and pay for safe ad-free ones instead. Poor people focus on fun phone features like filters. Smart people improve their safety, work, and time. Every minute you waste is money lost. Use tech to think better, move faster, and stay ahead of others. 4. Build something that lasts. What's the point of money if it's gone when you die? Real success isn't just saving cash. It's making sure your work lives on. Protect your money with strong plans like trusts or a clear will that no one can argue with. But don't stop there. Spend on bigger things. Give money for school scholarships, help young people learn, or create something special, like a book or a charity. The richest people don't just leave money. They leave ideas, knowledge, and chances for others. Naming a building after yourself is nice, but helping people is real power. The world remembers what you build, not what you buy. Start building something meaningful now. 5. Open up. Your world limits are for people with no money. Rich people don't wait in long lines for travel papers. They make choices that let them move freely. Getting another passport or place to live isn't fancy. It's a backup plan for when things go wrong, like wars or money troubles. Want to travel easily? Buy a home in a place like Portugal or Malta, where you can live in Europe. Want to save on taxes? Keep money in places like Singapore or the Cayman Islands, where taxes are low. Smart people plan ahead. Countries change and economies can crash, but the clever ones are ready. If your country has problems, do you have a plan, or just money you can't use? Making money is only part of it. Keeping it safe and staying free is the real game. Don't stay stuck in one place. Plan to live anywhere. 6. Eat better food. When you were working hard, you ate cheap stuff like noodles, fast food, or anything with sauce to taste okay. But with more money, you stop eating just to feel full and start eating to feel strong. Food gives you energy. Pick healthy, good quality food. and you'll think clearer, have more energy, and feel stronger. Eat junk, and you'll feel slow, foggy, and tired. Poor people eat big portions like giant burgers or endless buffets to save money. Rich people eat smaller, better food, like fresh, natural ingredients at nice restaurants. Talk to a food expert to plan meals that fit you, like vegan or low-carb diets, and try services that make healthy food for you. Food isn't just food. It's a way to improve your brain, body, and life. Eat smart, and your life will get better. 7. Save time with money free. Things are great, but fast is better. Walking is free, but people use taxis. Tap water is free, but people buy bottled water. Why? Because saving time is worth it. Money lets you skip boring tasks like shopping, waiting in lines, or paperwork. Pay someone else to do them. Flying on a private plane isn't just cool, it's fast, with no lines or crowds. If that's too expensive, get airport passes to move through lines quicker. Life's too short to wait or learn things the hard way. Smart people pay experts to learn fast, whether it's a new skill, understanding money, or changing their life. Time is your biggest treasure. Don't waste it on things money can fix. The faster you move, the more you win. 8. Live in a better place. Where you live changes your chances, friends, and thoughts. Studies show your town affects who you marry, who you hang out with, what you do for fun, and what you believe. Being near money makes you more money. If you grew up in a tough place, you know it's hard to grow there. People often think small and dream less. Moving to a busy, exciting place, like a big city, gives you better friends, jobs, and ideas. Try places like New York, London, or Dubai, where big things happen. If you can't move, join local groups or events with successful people. Your home isn't just a place, it's a tool to make your life better. Pick a better spot, and your life will improve. 9. Fix your looks. People judge you fast, and your face is the first thing they see. If something bothers you, like crooked teeth, bad skin, or poor eyesight, fix it. See a dentist to straighten teeth, a skin doctor for clear skin, or an eye doctor for glasses or surgery. This isn't about looking fake. It's about feeling good about yourself. Studies show people who look neat and confident earn more money, get jobs easier, and do better at work. Feeling good about your looks helps you make friends, find partners, and get opportunities. A strong look shows you care about yourself, which makes people trust you. Be careful with things like face injections. Make small changes so you still look like you. Your face is your first step to a better story. Make it count. 10. Get stronger. Money doesn't help if you're too weak to enjoy it. Fixing your looks is easy, but getting strong takes work. You need a healthy body to live a good life. Spend money on a fitness coach, sign up for classes, and set big goals. Pay ahead to stay committed. When you start seeing muscles or feeling better, working out becomes part of who you are. You'll have more energy and people will notice. Pick a gym close to home, buy good workout clothes, and hang out with fit people who push you. Try saunas, which studies say lower heart problems by 27% with 1 visit a week and 50% with 4, plus they make you feel happy. Strength isn't just for looks, it's for handling life's challenges. Stay strong, because being rich but weak is no better than being poor. 11. Sleep. Better. Most people don't know how bad their sleep is until they try good sleep. If you wake up tired or can't fall asleep, your bed is the problem. Poor people buy things like cars or TVs. Smart people buy better sleep. A good bed costs more than you think. Plan to spend a lot for one that supports your body. You sleep a third of your life, so don't use a cheap bed that makes you tired. Get pillows that fit how you sleep and soft, high-quality cotton sheets. Try gadgets like a sleep tracker to check how you rest. Studies say good sleep helps your memory, mood, and health. Sleep well, and you'll wake up with more energy, better thoughts, and a strong body, making your whole day better. 12. Own your time. The best thing isn't a busy schedule, it's a free one. At first you say yes to everything because you're excited, but real power is saying no. A full schedule stops you from thinking, creating, or doing big things. Check what you do. Pay others for small tasks. Use apps for boring work. And skip things that don't help you grow. Use tools like online helpers or apps to make work easier, so you can focus on important stuff. When you have money, Everyone wants your time. Say no to people who don't add value. Keep your days open for thinking, learning, and people you care about. Time is your most important thing. Use it wisely to build a great life. 13. Give to others. Success isn't just about money. It's about making a difference. Money isn't just numbers in a bank. It's a way to help. You've been busy building your life, but helping others is important too. Giving a little money, like half a month's pay, about 4% of your yearly money, feels amazing and gives you purpose. Studies show giving makes you happier and stronger. Start small. Help kids go to school, give clean water to people who need it, or teach skills to young people. Websites like GiveWell show you the best places to give. Giving doesn't make you poorer. It makes you stronger and opens new doors. Start giving a little and see how it changes your life. 14. Dress. Simply and well style isn't about following new trends. It's about looking like you. Choose good clothes over lots of clothes and pick classic styles over trendy ones. Rich people wear simple, well-made clothes. No big logos, just items that last. If you never know what to wear, your closet is full of cheap, throwaway clothes. Instead of buying lots of jackets, get one great coat, like a Burberry one, that lasts years. Look up capsule wardrobe online for a small set of nice clothes that always look good together. You can hire someone to help you dress or use apps to pick outfits. Good clothes show you're smart and serious, helping you at work and with friends. Wear clothes that show who you want to be. 15. Join special groups money. Lets you enjoy the best things, like special shows, secret tips, or fun events. Beyond regular apps like Netflix, your hobbies can connect you to cool groups like golf clubs, art clubs, or car racing teams. These aren't just fun, they're ways to meet people like you. If you've been too busy to make friends, these groups make it easy to meet important people who share your interests. Joining a wine club or a travel group isn't just about fun. It's about making friends who can help you. Places like Soho House or special travel clubs are for people who want to connect. Pick a group that matches what you love, like helping others or sports, and you'll find your people. Step in, and you'll change how you meet friends and work. 16. Free yourself from small tasks. Stop spending time on things money can fix, like cleaning, shopping, or paying bills. Pay someone to do them or use apps to make them automatic. Keep things you love, like cooking or walking your dog, but skip the rest. Set up automatic payments for bills and put money into investments like a fund that grows over time. Studies show these can grow 7 to 10% a year. Apps like Wealthfront make this easy. By skipping small tasks, you have more time to think, plan, and enjoy life. Being free from boring work is a gift of money. Use it to win big. 17. Spend time with family money. Changes how you connect with family, not with big gifts, but by making their lives easier. Quietly pay off your parents' house or medical bills so they don't worry. Make special memories. Take them on trips, like to Italy or a calm beach, and pay for things like hotels without making a fuss so they feel okay. Studies say doing things together makes families closer than giving stuff. Money should make families stronger, not cause problems. When you're busy, it's easy to forget family. Make time for calls, visits, or small trips to stay close. Family keeps you grounded, so take care of them now, or you'll miss them later. 18. Learn from the best. The most successful people never stop learning. They just find better teachers. At first, free things like videos or books are enough. But as you grow, you need smarter guides. Top coaches cost a lot for one talk, but they can change your life with one idea. A study from 2023 says 80% of people who use coaches do better at work. If coaching is too expensive, try online classes from places like Masterclass or Coursera, where experts teach you. Find teachers who've solved the problems you have, like starting a business or staying calm, and learn from them. One great lesson can put you way ahead of others. 19. Live an exciting life. Be the person everyone wants to listen to by living a life full of great stories. Go on adventures, try new things, and chase moments that make you feel alive. The fun is in the doing, not just the end goal. You have dreams, places like Norway's mountains, big challenges like climbing a mountain, or learning something new like cooking in Japan. Time goes fast, so don't wait. Spend money on experiences, not things. A study from 2018 says trips and activities make you happier than buying stuff. Adventures make you interesting, bring cool people to you, and give you stories people love. Book that trip, try that new hobby, or say yes to something exciting. Make your life a story worth telling. 20. Keep more of your money. Real freedom is going where you want and doing what you love. The more money you make, the more taxes you pay. Smart people plan to keep more. Put money in places like the British Virgin Islands, where taxes are low. Buy a home in places like Dubai or Monaco, where you pay no income tax to live or rent out. Hire a tax expert to organize your money so you save more. A 2024 study says people who plan their taxes keep 30% more money each year. Most people work hard but lose money to taxes. You're smarter. Plan carefully to keep your money and stay free. If you're ready for this kind of freedom, comment options.